check?
No, I think we're good, right?
Looks good. I'm usually taller than you.
You do the damage.
Okay, my name is Chris. Welcome to Chris's Mirror. Today I'm going to be doing my girlfriend Maureen's mirror's makeup.
Oh boy. So, you know, V-Day's coming up. Feb 14th. Whoop whoop. To all those who celebrate Valentine's, Galentine's, Valentine's Day.
Is that thing Valentine's?
I don't know. It's like male, but now I don't know.
All
Anyways.
Right. So today I'm going to be doing Maureen's makeup.
And wait, let me just tee for the timeout. Chris looks shorter than me because my chair is higher than his, so it looks a little weird.
I'm slouching.
Okay.
So let me I just want to preface a little bit. Today I'm going to be doing Maureen's makeup.
Oh my god, that's why I'm bare-faced and looking like
I, for one, believe that Maureen does not need any makeup.
Oh, shush. But should I show you where everything is? What do you think?
Well, I'd like to know where all the stuff is.
Okay. My drawers are messy, so I'm really not going to show you guys any of that, but that's okay.
Doesn't make it easier for me.
No. These are brushes. These are, I can pull them here, but I also have a whole drawer of brushes here that I just pulled for Chris. So the main drawers, I'm just showing him the main drawers. Here, main drawer, main drawer, main drawer, main drawer, main
Pretty
drawer.
much every drawer.
Yes. And then if you need like Q-tips and stuff, they're in like that drawer. Ooh, the lighting is terrible.
Will I need Q-tips?
Well, I don't know if you make a mistake. Okay. All right, guys. So we're
Q-tips for mistakes. Writing that down.
Okay. I have like my little mirror here, just in case.
Okay.
So
have you washed your face today?
No.
I feel like you should have done that.
My face is clean. I have no makeup on.
All right,
I literally have no makeup on.
Let's redo that. Have you washed your face today?
Yes.
Okay, a little earlier. All right, so that would be what my first step would be. Would be wash your face. She took care of that for me.
Should I?
Put makeup on dry face and
I'm sorry, guys. I'm gonna have to help him out here because he's looking through the drawers and he doesn't know what he's doing.
Get started here.
Okay, this is like the drawer that has a lot of stuff in there.
So this is probably where I should start.
Yes.
Okay.
Help me.
Okay.
Oh, Grateful Dead. You know, get in the Valentine's Day mood with the roses.
Oh yeah. Just
oh yeah, look.
In my defense here, there's a lot of stuff here, so it's like
goodness.
a little hard to just like get. It's overwhelming.
Okay.
So
what do you want to do first? I may give him a little bit of hinting and guidance because this is gonna be a 12-hour long video if I don't.
Okay.
Okay, that's fine.
First, I'm gonna put a little bit of.
And then you do one of these to like get it to focus.
Okay. What does that say?
Back up.
I didn't even read it yet.
I have an autofocus? No, it's because I'm in the screen. You're in the screen.
Okay, so that's... What does that say? Because I didn't even read it yet.
Okay, you gotta read it.
Pore Refining Solutions Stay Matte Hydrator. Okay. So this should be the right amount. Okay. We're gonna put it... Alright, we're gonna start...
Okay.
Here, look at... Okay.
I'll do it. Okay.
Here, look at the camera on a block. So I'm just gonna be applying... No real reason I started here. Just wanna make sure I have enough, so I'll call a hair in there. Wanna make sure I put it everywhere. You wanna go up with it. You don't wanna go down with it. Okay, so next we're gonna use some foundation. This one looks good to me. It says foundation on the label at one point.
Which one is this?
This is L'Oreal Paris
Infallible Pro Matte.
Yep.
In 107. That's my color right now.
Okay. We have all the colors here, so I knew it was this color. All right, so I'm gonna use this brush.
Okay.
Sorry, I grabbed the wrong one.
Nope. Sorry, I'm helping. Wait, you're gonna use, okay. None of these brushes are foundation brushes. I'm sorry, he's about to put like a highlighter brush on my face.
This brush. Okay, I'm gonna use this brush because it was in the drawer where the foundation should be. And I'm gonna.
You do you, boo-boo.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna put the foundation right on there.
Okay. It's like ketchup. You want it to come down. I gotta help him, guys. Okay. You tell me when.
A little bit more. Good.
Okay.
Okay.
Good.
All right. So
show everybody how much you're putting on me.
So that seems like a decent, regular, normal people amount.
Okay.
All right, and we're going to foundate Maureen's face. Just want to dab it on first in the spots where it needs to be. Not that it needs to be anywhere, but...
Oh, he's so kind to me, guys.
Oh, boy. Okay. It's like painting.
It is!
Okay, so you want to show your face foundated?
Okay, foundated face. What's the next step?
Okay. Alright, so that was like the next step I definitely know is next. After this, I'm really winging it. Alright, so I'm going to check a different draw. Okay, that's for later. Maybe...
I'm scared. What?
We'll do something around your eyes, right?
Okay.
No, wait. Contour.
Okay. Okay, look, guys.
Right, so...
See, he knows a lot more than what he's saying, so I don't...
I'm really freestyling this. I didn't have, like, any time to prepare. We decided we'll do this video, and I decided not to prepare.
I have to tell... Okay.
Okay, so I just took the cap off, but this is...
LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I think this is Mocha.
Okay,
nice,
yeah,
Chris.
so...
What color is this? Espresso.
Ooh.
Doesn't smell like espresso.
Okay, so I think that we just squeeze it and it's just gonna go on the brush.
Yeah.
Alright, so just turn a little bit towards me. Like this way.
Oh, this way. Sorry, excuse me.
Oh, your nose.
What? It's dusty?
Sweetie.
Oh, what happened?
I don't know.
I'm not the one who did my foundation.
Sorry. I feel like, alright, I'm doing a really good job.
Okay.
Okay, so I think when you do this kind of stuff, you want to like get your cheekbones going. That's what I know.
Did you squeeze any out?
Okay, I'm gonna squeeze it first.
Oh my gosh, guys, I'm crying. Look.
I need like a brush now to rub that in.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, show them the brush you picked.
I don't know, it was right here, so.
He picked it out of a whole set of brushes, so it's not like, so, you know.
Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is just kind of freestyle it like this. You gotta just lighten it up to match your skin a little better, or else people are gonna know you're wearing makeup.
Guys, look at this contour. I'm like the tannest bee in town right now.
Okay.
Careful, it's dusty. Yeah, sorry. He opened a Bare Minerals product. Show everybody. Sorry, I have to help him with this because he was about to dump the whole cap, like the whole brush in there, and he would have taken all the product out, and it would have been, my face would have been orange. So, I mean, use the top.
What I'm gonna do is just use the top, get a light dusting.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay.
That's all we need, I think.
Okay.
No, a little bit more.
Okay.
Okay.
So Chris, what's your favorite Marvel movie?
I'm a big fan of the Avengers movies. I know that's kind of like, you know, me selling out because everyone's in it, but I love when everyone's in it. Okay, so we'll just start here, see what happens. Try to fix this area. I'll give you like some eyeshadow.
Okay.
You looked up a little bit, so I'm
I
just
did.
trying to use context clues where that might be.
Oh. Okay, what's that?
Okay, this is by ELF. It's called Brightening Eye Pot.
What color is it?
Like purpley.
You gonna give me a purple look? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
What you need is this brush.
Mhm.
Because I feel like that's right. I'm
Okay.
gonna go right into the product.
Okay.
No one's stopping me.
Did you show everybody the color? You could do it. I'm just gonna swatch it. Show everybody. Go ahead. It's like a dark brown purple.
This is funny.
I'm looking really splotchy.
Spotchy is a good thing in makeup. So next I want to do your eyebrows.
Hey, hey!
I think I know where that is because I've seen you do them.
No.
This is.
What do you think this is called? Let's call this something.
Eyebrow shooter. Eyebrow make stunner.
Okay, the eyebrow stunner.
Put that on the bottom of the screen. So there's like this in it. It's like looks like pretty used up. It looks like you used that one a lot.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna use this one.
Okay. What's next, dude?
Next, we're using some.
You're really
blush.
using
We're gonna use a big brush like this. Oh, that says foundation on it. I'm not gonna do that.
not helping you.
Okay, that sounds.
I have
like
to
it's wrong.
stop helping you.
No,
No, I didn't say it was wrong.
but I changed my mind in the middle of that.
I feel like I'm mostly in the shot and you're not, so.
Okay, this brush. Okay.
Oh, shout out to my sister Camille for this background. She bought me a little background set, little backdrop set for Christmas, and I'm using it.
I'm just trying to put this pink on your cheek so it looks like you're
Show everybody
blushing.
the color.
It's supposed to look like you're blushing all the time, which would be like really intense and unhealthy. I don't know if I could do eyelashes on you.
You wanna try?
All right. Really fighting an uphill battle today, but we're gonna make it. Is it supposed to be that color?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll give you a set.
So I think
The background moved like just a smidget. I'm like leaning up against it. Use a light hand, Chris. Light hand.
okay, open.
Guys, does it look like it's on? Let me know below.
Wait, all right. Look in the camera.
Look in the camera?
Look in the camera like close, like no, back up.
Mm-hmm.
Show everybody. Looks good.
Why are you doing that with your hands?
Because I feel like I botched it a little bit.
Wait, you're done? This is it?
Should I like spray your face with like water or something?
Oh, you look for something. Okay, you could. It's called a setting spray. I see where you're getting at there. Your eyelash. You think the eyelashes are on well?
Yeah, why?
Guys, do these look? How do my eyebrows look? I feel like, oh my goodness gracious.
Oh.
No lipstick or anything?
Oh yeah. Alright. Well, I picked this one because it kind of is close to the color I used for your eyes. I mean, when I put them next to each other, it doesn't seem like that anymore. But it's okay, because you don't want it exactly the same. Alright.
You're just gonna put them directly on my crusty lips? Just curious, my lips are just a little crusty, that's all.
We'll wipe your lips off with this.
Okay. What is this thing called?
This is a lip wiper. Okay, so they're clean now. Really clean.
Seriously?
Wait.
Okay, no, go ahead.
Let me see.
They're really
like
dry.
Alright, maybe we'll throw a little chapstick on there first. Which is right here.
I'm just putting stuff back because right after this we're gonna film me doing Chris's makeup.
Show you. Do exactly this. You're not okay.
I'm not doing it.
And we're done.
Alright. So, is this the final look, Chris?
This is it. You're going to the Grateful Dead concert with your friends and you're ready to rock out. So
let's do a little close up.
Yeah, maybe we should take some photos too and we'll put them in the video.
What do you think? How do you think you did?
If I was grading myself like on a school grade scale,
Yeah.
I think
Oh, son of a bitch.
I say like an A.
Good job. Yeah, I think you got an A, kid.
Really?
Yeah, a little bit.
You can put the real score in the video.
I'm not. I think he did. A plus, guys. What do you guys think? We're gonna do school grade.
Imagine like, I'm like a second grader trying to do this, and then what would you give me?
Yeah,
Because
let's
that's really...
Mac, hire him so we can work the counter. What other places do you want to work at?
You know, the other makeup shop, the one, I'll only do like really high-end celebrity makeup.
Like which one?
Like, Barbara Streisand.
She has a makeup line? I don't think she has a makeup line.
No, I'll do her makeup.
Oh, you meant like people. Was I high-end enough for you?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks.
Because I'll do high-end and Maureen.
Oh, wait.
Same thing.
I was gonna say, what the hell is that supposed to be?
Nice recovery by me.
Alright, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for part two. Stay tuned for part 2 of this video. Me and Krista are going to be doing another video where I do his makeup now. But I can't wait to see.
We'll see who did better. Right?
You guys let me know. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of this look. You know, give this video a thumbs up because Chris is the real deal. Say bye to everyone. You send us off.
Okay, thanks for dealing with that.
He did good, guys, right? Comment below. Rate it from 1 to 10. Let me know what you guys think.
Maybe we'll have another video
grade?
in like 6 months.
Yeah.
It's like, look how much I've improved or gotten worse.
Yeah, so like next time, like God forbid, like, you know, I'm too tired to use my hands or something, Chris can do my makeup for me.
Alright, well thanks for watching and
stay tuned.
Yeah.
High five me.